Convener of Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Jitendra Ningomba has alleged that SDO of Henglep subdivision has violated the order of Manipur government's Home Commissioner by issuing a list for enumerators to conduct house listing. Jitendra Ningomba said this on the sideline of a discussion program on upcoming census held at Nambol Govindagram Laibung today. Speaking in the program, Jitendra Ningomba highlighted the threat posed by illegal immigrants in the state and the census if conducted before implementation of NRC. He further questioned the silence of Manipur government on the demand of people to defer the census exercise, while also flagging the action of Henglep subdivisional officer in Churachandpur, who released a list of enumerators for house listing.
BJP political party assembly popular government 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 Manipur NRC view BJP SIR high command